friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens in-store video for the week of March the 9th of 2025. Very good week over at Walgreens. If you can track down some of these deals with the razor deals, run on them ASAP because they'll get cleared very quickly. Before we dive into this, Kohl's department store, it's the last day for their ultimate giveaway. If you walk in this store, they're handing customers one coupon per shopper, and you'll open it up. It's either a $5, $10, or $25 coupon, and you can use it on anything in the store. The earlier you go, the chances are you will get one of these coupons. As the day marches on, they might be out. But the last day, I got a $10 coupon. You can go once per day. So today's the last day, which is Sunday the 9th. These little dish towels for Easter were $4.79 each. With that $10 coupon, it just made it a total freebie and a really nice little Easter gift for free, probably for my mother-in-law and my mom, but they're super uber cute. Before you go to Walgreens, I would definitely hit up Kohl's and maybe bring a friend so you both can get in on the deal, because there's nothing greater than, something for free. Even if it's just a towel. Now, if you might just get the $5 one, there is the big towels, which is the Kohl's brand. They're $4.99. It would make it another freebie. And I wish you guys luck that you will get one of these coupons. And if you don't see anyone handing them out, just maybe ask a cashier nicely. They might have some in the back or like behind their register, or they might be out for the day. So roll of the dice, but I would try earlier this morning to get to Kohl's. We hop into the deals. If you can give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. Okay, first thing we're going to talk about is the BOGO 50% off for the BATISTE dry shampoo, $10 reward when you buy two. Now, in some markets, they have already marked some of these shampoos on clearance. Find it on this side cap or in the aisle with the shampoo. And I'm going to show you the two different flavors. I personally did not find it, but a friend of mine who lives in the Lansing area, she did. So cucumber cooler, that one is ringing up for $1.29, and the light dry shampoo. Both of these were marked clearance in her area. I have another friend in Northern California, the same thing. Another friend in Texas, the same thing. Always a year mileage may vary, so this might happen in the next couple of days. It might not, but it's always good to ask for a price check. IBOTTA has $2 back for up to 3 cans and makes it an absolute and total freebie. Now, if you could track down 2 on clearance, that would be $2.58, $10 register reward, $4 back from IBOTTA. It'd make it free plus an $11.42 moneymaker. So keep your eyes peeled for these 2 cents and ask for a price check as well. So you make sure you're grabbing the right ones and they are in fact on clearance. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But I think the majority of us don't have a digital booster this week because they gave us so many the week previous. Okay, moving it along. If you cannot find this guy on clearance, let's just buy 2 on a BOGO 50% off. That'll be $20.23. Get back a $10 register reward. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $4 back. It makes it $6.23 for the 2 or $3.11 per can. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I sound so rhetorical, you know what I mean. A couple people were reporting on social media that $10 register reward was not printing. So I put pause on this. I'm looking for these on clearance, or I am looking to purchase these later in the week because I do not want to mess around with the $10 register reward not printing. And multiple people were saying for this specific product, it was not printing as of this morning. A very nice manager might credit you that, but I did not have that option this morning. This specific razor for $23.99, we have 2 coupons attaching. These are only for you, so if you are a big shopper at Walgreens, you probably have both. We have a 15 off and a 6 off. One is a manufacturer, one is a store. You have to do this one. You know what? You can either do it in store or online, but I would do it in store because it's going to go very quickly. Grabbing one of these for $23.99, subtracting $15 and a $6 store, you're paying $2.99, 90% off for this refill, and this is once per store card. I would make this happen. Now, I'm going to let you guys know, I tried grabbing a cheaper razor to see if that $6 register reward would print for this and something else. Nope, didn't work. So just get this refill on its own. Don't be stupid like yours truly. This is a deal tested and it did work. It is to grab the disposable. I grabbed the ladies Venus. You can also grab the men's if you wish, but I grabbed the ladies for $7.99. So two of them, and I got this blue one. It's called Sensitive Skin or the soft one. And there's a 7 off 2 digital coupon that appeared. So it's either for the men or the ladies. You pick which one you want to use it on. Again, we're doing this in store because it's involving a register reward. Grabbing two of these for $15.98. Subtracting that digital, you'll pay $8.98. Get back a $6 register reward, making it $2.98 for the two or $1.49 per pack of razor. And you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Most of us don't have boosters. And here is the gorgeous $6 register reward that printed for me this morning. So I was pretty excited about that. Also, lots of diapers are 50% off if you are in need of them. It's obviously a little cheaper than doing a diaper deal this week. So if you have little ones, grandbabies, you need to stock up on diapers. The wipes, certain foods, certain diapers, they're probably, let's be honest, shrinkflating the packaging, so they want all this out of the store. So this is the time to really stock up on diapers, even at 50% off if you have a bunch of Walgreens cash. The native deodorant, I found one lonely one for $1.29, so I just scooped it up. There is a $3 off, but I would need to pick up 3 to use that digital coupon. So even for $1.29, I'm using $1 of Walgreens cash for this, and it's in the scent Cotton and Lily. The Tresemme shampoo for $7, $4 reward when you purchase 2 with the 5 off 2 digital. And this is what your digital coupon is, so please make sure you have it loaded. So grabbing 2 of these shampoos or stylers, it's $14. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $9. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but noticed at many stores where I live, a lot of these specific ones, the gloss line, it is 90% off. So even grabbing 2 of them for $1 and some change, paying that down, and then giving it back a $4 register reward, it makes it a freebie, free and $2.33 moneymaker. So definitely ask for a price check on these because we love a freebie and a moneymaker. And again, your mileage may vary, but a lot of stores in Michigan are clearing these ones out. I have no idea why. Okay, so this next deal is a total freebie. It is to grab 2 of these brushes for $7, $4 register reward when you purchase 2. And we have this 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So if you didn't use it last week, you can use it this week. So just a very straightforward basic deal. 2 of these for $7. Subtracting that digital, you'll pay $4 and get back a $4 register reward, making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I'm going to let you guys know I had a $4 register reward from last week for some deal I did. I don't even remember all the details, but the register reward was expiring today. So I just used it and I basically just paid down the tax for this one. And then this guy printed again. So, and it was a very similar register reward, but it was from the week previous, and then it triggered the printing of this one. And look at that date at the top. It is expiring on the 14th, which is Friday. These ones have a quicker date than the usual 2 weeks that we're used to. So really pay attention to all your register rewards and the dates that they are expiring. The Colgate for $4, and I noticed that the coupons are attaching to Colgate Total. We have a $3 register reward when you purchase 2. And for both of the totals for this deal, that the $2 coupon is attaching to that specific paste. So make sure you have both of these guys loaded. This is a very basic deal. So 2 tubes of the toothpaste is $8. Subtracting your digital coupons, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per tube. And again, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward as long as it's not with a booster deal. Very cheap laundry deal this week goes to this big jug of Purex. Unfortunately, my store was cleared out of them. They are $9.99. We have a $2 digital coupon, and we have a rebate on IBOTTA as well for this specific product. So make sure you have it loaded. Grabbing one of these for $9.99. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay like $7.99. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $3 back. Make sure you have that rebate. The final price point is $4.99, and it's okay to use Walgreens cash as long as you're not doing this with a booster. Okay, so now we have our friend, which is a L'Oreal Elvive shampoo, 2 for $10 this week. It's usually like $5.99 per bottle. We have a 3 off a 2 manufacturer and a $1.50 off store coupon that will apply twice. So that right there, guys, is $6 in coupons. Plus, I have this guy from last week, a $4 off personal care, blah, 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 from the Garnier shampoo I was buying. So grabbing 2 of these bottles for $10, subtracting that store coupon, which is a $1.50 off per bottle, and the 3 off a 2 manufacturer, and that $4 register reward, you should be paying the tax. It's just a nice way to turn that weird, goofy $4 into something else. Alternatively, if you are a Pantene girl, we're going to do this deal. We're going to be looking for the shampoos at $5 a pop, $3 register reward when you purchase 3. This is your manufacturer that you're going to load, which is a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. And then don't forget from last week, the Garnier, if you might have this one in your wallet, we're also going to utilize this one and ask the cashier very nicely, hey, could you possibly scan each bottle to ensure that the 5 off of 3 and this one will attach, just to be smart. So grabbing 3 of these, it's $15, subtracting your digital coupon and that weird $4 register reward, you're going to be paying $6. And then you're getting back a $3 register reward, making it $3 for 3 or $1 per Pantene. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward, but what a little deal. Really love this deal whenever it pops up. It's a 16 count of the Angel Soft. It is a lot of toilet paper for $10.99, $4 of savings. Oh, and we have a $1 digital coupon, so make sure you have that loaded. I mean, it's just a really great deal. So one of these for $10.99, subtracting your digital coupon, the price is $9.99. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, by all means, go for it. I just think this is a really good stock up price to get such a large package of toilet paper for $10 in Walgreens cash. Paper is one item I have been stocking up a lot on the last couple of months. I love this deal and I love the Angel Soft line. And the final deal we're looking at, it's buy one, get 2 for free. So you'll pay $4.99 for the first and get 2 for free, and it shakes out these bags to $1.66 per. I use the small bags for cat litter and little cat messes, and I think it's of a good quality. So if you want to take a shot for $1.66, I think that's a pretty good price point. That's it for this video, guys. We will catch you in the next one. Bye.